Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the color strobe video effect as a transition in CapCut for PC. So for example, I'm going to select the images that I want to edit the track. So I set the image duration in 1.0 second and I'm going to make the color strobe transition effect, but I'm not using the transition. I'm using effect as a transition. So I'm looking for the color through and I click here's just at the track and make it shorter and adjust for the position on top another clip but between the clip. So put on top between the clip and you can copy paste and put on top between the clip. Okay, like so. Right, go. Ah, this is Pro effect. You can join Pro first to be able to use this effect. Alright, so this is the final effect you have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section and below. Thank you so much for watching.